selling lanterns on the street. I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a
sa iyo.
bright tomorrow.
Pasko na.
Nations are at peace and all are one in God.
Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may
Kung mga kinugos, kung may naanak,
the love we
tag na
have
tutog ko.
for Jesus. Let the